Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and creativity. Specifically, we're going to explore a wonderful feature in DALL called Inpainting. If you're an artist, a designer, or just someone curious about AI's ability to generate and modify images, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. But before we jump into the details, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wished you could change a part of an image but didn't know where to start? Maybe you wanted to swap out a background or tweak a character's expression. Well, that's exactly where Inpainting comes in. So, what exactly is Inpainting in DALL E, and how can you use it? Let's find out. Inpainting is a powerful tool within DALL E, OpenAI's image generation model. Essentially, Inpainting allows you to edit existing images by filling in parts of them with new content. It's like having a digital canvas where you can erase and replace elements while maintaining a seamless look. This feature is particularly useful in various scenarios. For instance, if you have a photo of a landscape but want to replace the sky with a sunset, Inpainting lets you do that without starting from scratch. You can simply select the area where the sky is and tell DALL what you'd like to see instead. Let me show you how it works with a quick example. Imagine we have this image of a park. It's a beautiful day, but the park bench is empty. You can use Inpainting to add a person reading a book on the bench. Here's how you do it. First, select the area you want to modify. You can use a brush tool to outline a section of the image you want to change. In this case, you'd circle the empty bench. Second, describe what you want. After selecting the area, you'll provide a text prompt. Something like a person sitting on the bench, reading a book. Third, generate the new image. Once you hit this Generate button, DALL will work its magic and fill in that area with the new content you described, blending it seamlessly with the rest of the image. Isn't that amazing? The results can be truly impressive, and it opens up a world of possibilities for artists and creators. Now, let's talk about some practical applications of Inpainting. First, enhancing visual content. If you're a content creator or a marketer, you can use Inpainting to tailor images specifically for your audience. Need to add a logo to a product photo or change colors to fit a brand palette? Inpainting makes it easy. Second, concept art and design. For artists and designers, Inpainting is a fantastic way to experiment with different ideas without committing to a full redesign. You can explore various concepts by modifying existing artwork. Third, restoration projects. Inpainting can also be utilized for restoring old photos or artwork. If you have a vintage image with faded sections or damage, you can use this feature to restore it to its former glory. Now, let's discuss some tips for getting the best results with Inpainting. Tip 1. Be specific in your prompts. The clearer you are about what you want, the better the results. Instead of saying add a person, try add a young woman sitting on the bench, reading a novel. Tip 2. Experiment with different styles. DALL can generate images in various artistic styles, so feel free to specify if you want a realistic look or something more abstract. Tip 3. Don't hesitate to iterate. Sometimes the first result might not be exactly what you envisioned. Tweak your instructions, adjust the selected area, and try again until you get the perfect image. The beauty of Inpainting in DALL is that it democratizes the creative process. You don't need to be a skilled artist to create stunning visuals. With just a few clicks and some imaginative prompts, you can bring your ideas to life. To wrap things up, Inpainting in DALL is a versatile and powerful feature that allows you to modify images with ease. Whether you're enhancing visuals, creating concept art, or restoring old memories, this tool opens up endless possibilities. So, why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content about AI and creativity. If you have any questions or want to share your Inpainting experiences, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.